If you always want a high credit score when you're young, man, and you want to learn how to do that, in this video I'm going to tell you what you need to know, so when you come in the credit game, your credit is already good and better than your friends. Great service, great service. Man, probably finna do something for the clothing brand or do something to the car, man. Whichever one we get into, man. That's it. Y'all boy, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man, and enjoy the video.
Sipping on syrup, posting the trap with cuz your bitch at text like what was the word? And I ain't no picture, but a young nigga do get fly as a bird. And you can call me G Herbert the way I made the 392 swerve.
So what's good, YouTube, man? In today's video, I'm finna be telling you how to get you a good credit score at a young age. So the first thing that we're gonna start with, man, is being an authorized user. Now, this is for my people that is under the age of 18 that want to come in the game with a good credit. Authorized user is honestly the only way you can really come in here good and set. But you still want to watch this video. So when you turn 18, all you gotta do is put in the actions. And by the time you're 20 or 21 or something, you good. So you still want to watch this video, rest of it, so you can already have the game in your mind. Basically, an authorized user, man. First, let me tell y'all my credit score. My credit score is 775 and I'm only 20 years old. So basically, an authorized user is a person that is on their guardian or anybody's credit card. But the thing about it is that you want to make sure whoever you're being an authorized user on is that they actually pay their bills and all that with their credit card. Because you don't want to be on an authorized user credit card to somebody that's not paying their bills or anything, man. Anybody that you trust that's over 18 and you want to be on their credit card, tell them to put you on as an authorized user. That you got to trust them though. You got to know that they pay their bills on time. You got to know everything. Or honestly, you can come into the game and they mess up your credit and make your credit worse than what you would have started with. So make sure you find a person that's trustable to put you on as an authorized user. As I was on an authorized user with my mother. I don't know the minimum age to be an authorized user. I want to say the age of 10 or probably something like that, but it's pretty young, so you can be an authorized user for up to 10 years or so. Now on to the thing where you got to put in your own actions. Here we're going to start with is having that credit card when you turn 18. Just get you a little Discover or a Capital One. I honestly suggest when you get a credit card, apply for 2 of them. I had my Capital One credit card for a year, had no problems with them. A year after, I got me a Discover card, so right now I'm on 2 credit cards and that's it. And I also have me a car loan, and that's it for right now that I have coming in for my credit. I thought about just getting another personal loan or something to put on my car, as a supercharge my car, personal loan or something like that. But I'm not sure yet what I want to do. Yeah, man, get your credit card. I suggest go ahead and get you 2 of them as soon as you apply. It's gonna drop your credit score, but that is fine because you're gonna make all that back. Third thing I'll do is get a secured loan. A secured loan is, okay, that's my dog, don't mind. A secured loan is when you go to the bank, you got $500, right? You get them $500 and say you want a secured loan. What they will do, they'll turn that $500 into a loan, but you keep your $500, so you're basically paying monthly on that $500 over time. Or you can get you a personal loan. Now, a personal loan is hard to get a personal loan without a cosigner if you're new at the age of 18, honestly. You can try just $300, $500. Some people still wouldn't try to approve you. I don't understand why. I mean, if you're 18, honestly, you should be able to pay a $500 loan within a span of, I mean, that's how much people checks you. So, I mean, the span of, if you can get up to a year or 2 years, that should be paid off no problem. You can try to get that. A personal loan, that will help out a lot. Keeping your inquiries low. Keep your inquiries low. I messed up. That's something I messed up bad. When I was 18, I wanted to apply for all these cars. Kept getting declined. That was messing up my inquiries. So if you know your chances of approval are low, don't apply at all. Honestly, if you want to text me personal, my Instagram is in the description. To know your chance of approval, text me personal. I'll let you know so you don't waste the inquiry. Because 9 out of 10, you're gonna need a big down payment or you're gonna need a cosigner. And sometimes even with a cosigner, they might not even help. But a cosigner do helps a lot though. But yeah, let's go down the list, man, of what all they look for in your credit. Payment history, of course. My payment history is 100% excellent. Made all my on time payments, of course. Your credit card usage, guys, don't use up your, okay, so a lot of people think, let's say your credit card, you got a $500 limit. A lot of people go use that whole 500 or use 300 of it. No, don't use no more than 10% of your credit card limit. Honestly, 10%. Keep your limit below 10% and you're fine on that. Keep it below 10%. Trust me. A lot of people say 30, but 10% is what they look more for. Keep it below 10%. But y'all, let's do the math. 10%. $500 plus 10%. That's $50. You want to keep your limit below $50. Go buy you something at the store. You'll be alright. Next up they look for is collections. Debt collections. Debt collections is like when you didn't pay a bill. Like, let's say you signed up at Platinum Fitness for a membership and you didn't pay your membership. So, and they keep your membership going. It's stacking up on you and they see you not paying nothing. Then it will be sent to the collections and that will go on your credit because you didn't pay that. So try not to, make sure you watch your memberships that you have out here, man. If you got to cancel it, make sure it's canceled so you don't get in debt with it. Next we have is your credit age. I feel it's so important. It's honestly, you can't do nothing about your credit age after you 18. You just gotta let that come over time. You gotta be patient with that. That just come as you age. It's nothing that you can do about your credit age. You just gotta be patient, man. That's honestly all you can do with your credit age. And credit age is basically your history. So basically what I'm saying, everything I'm telling you now is that, so for my younger folks, is when you get up to an upper age, you already have your credit history and you don't gotta worry about starting so late. Next up we have is your total accounts. So they say an excellent total accounts is 21 plus. I only have 4. I honestly don't understand that, why they want your account. They want you, it's like that's basically saying that they want you in debt more, but then they want your debt to be low. That don't make sense to me. So honestly, man, just keep it minimum. Don't get out on total accounts. I don't know what you can say about that. And remember, a hard inquiry take like 2 years for it to expire. Like, I still got a hard inquiry on here from August the 6th, 2022, but it should expire in August though, because after 2 years, that's when most of them expire. Yeah, man, these are some tips to keep your credit going, man. And remember, just because you pay a car, just because you're paying off your loans or any of this, let's say like when I got my car and I paid my first payment, I was expecting my credit to go up 1 point or something. No, it takes a while for your credit to actually start going up once you're doing your right stuff. Don't freak out because it's not going up as soon as you do right. It's gonna take a while. And once it starts taking a while, you actually see it start to go up. You'll be happy with yourself. And yeah, man, just be patient with the little credit game a little bit, especially the credit age and credit history. But by the time you're 21, man, you'll be in there to go get something that you actually like. And remember, just because your credit is good, don't remember you always get approved for something. It still got to come down to your monthly income at the end of the day, really. Like, let's say you're 21, you're making $2,000 a month. You're making $2,000 a month at the age of 21. You go apply for a Hellcat that's like $1,000 a month. You're not getting approved just because you got your good credit history and all that. You're not getting approved because, I mean, that just, your monthly income is not there really for that at the end of the day. Because, I mean, at the 21, they know that you have other bills that you got to be getting paid and all that. So you're not getting approved for that, man. But hopefully I can take what I'm saying with the credit thing into account, and I explained that pretty good for you, man. Appreciate you for tuning in.